Lawan sells exactly 4 kinds of pies in his bakery: apple, pecan, coconut cream, and peach. Of the pies he sold on Thursday, 1/4 were apple, 1/2 were pecan, 24 were coconut cream, and 8 were peach. How many total pies did Lawan sell on Thursday? So notice the first 2 types of pies were told, they're presented as fractions of the total. The other 2 are presented as just whole numbers. How many they sold: 24 coconut cream and 8 peach. So here's how we're going to have to tackle this. We're going to recognize that on the 4th were apple and 1/2 were pecan, and the rest were coconut cream and peach. So we need to figure out what the rest is. So what we're going to do is take 1 minus 1/4 plus 1/2. So minus all this. So we can do this however we wish, but if you just put this into your calculator, you're going to get 1/4, or 0.25. And this will be easier to calculate if you recognize that 1/4 is 0.25 and 1/2 is 0.5. And so it's easier to type that into your calculator than using fractions. But your calculator should be able to come up with these numbers. What that means is the total number of coconut cream were 24, and the total number of peach were 8. That's 32. 32 pies represented 1/4 of the pies, because 1/4 were apple, 1/2 were pecan. What's left is 1/4, and what's left is 24 coconut cream and 8 peach. So 32 pies represents 1/4 of the sales for the day. I'm just going to take 32 times 4, and I'm going to get 128 is my total number of pies that Lawan sold. Nice work.